One definition of Vidya is Vidya dadati vinayam. That which gives you Vinaya is Vidya. Vinaya is a great word, where you are always humble, where there is no ego, where you never consider yourself as great. That constant state of Vinaya is Vidya. And Vidya gives you Vinaya. And what is Vidya? The two Vidyas, Paravidya, Aparavidya.
Okay.
Paravidya means to know about something else other than you.
Okay.
Apara means the opposite of that, means it is self-study. All these physical sciences, material sciences, the Western sciences, they are all Paravidya. Indian sciences, meditation, these are all Aparavidya. Aparavidya scores over Paravidya. So, to teach Aparavidya, we have got our own syllabus, Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy. Actually, that is primary. Aparavidya is primary, Paravidya is secondary. To know about the botanical history of some plant is secondary, or to know about the Buddha's history, whose parents, whose grandparents, secondary, but what is Buddha's meditation, that is primary. Primary should come first, should come later.
Correct.
That is the proper order of things. We should have botany, we should have zoology, we should have archaeology, we should have anthropology, we should have all these things, but only after meditation and spirituality. At the fag end of lifetime, you can't enter into these things. As a sannyasi, as a brahmacharya ashram itself, you should have. Not when you are a grihastha ashrama, not when you are not when you are sannyasa. As brahmacharya ashram itself, you should have Paravidya, must become master of Paravidya. That is exactly the meaning of the word. And both these Vidyas should give you Vinayam, humility.